Hi everyone, quick video about a purchase I made today from Amazon, and this is a tablet and phone holder and stand for your mainly for your mobile phone, and this is it. It's a lovely finish, really well made, fantastic, and it goes back and forth. It's quite rigid. It's quite rigid, as you can see. I'll rotate it. Needs a bit of force to go forward a bit. Difficult with one hand, and it has a turn screw at the back here. Let's go in a bit more. Okay. Oh, right. That's the not non-diplomatic way of doing it. But yes, this is where you can tighten the screw, and it goes up to a certain height, which is where it was before. And to be honest with you, although it's well made, it doesn't really elevate that much. So if you want something that's not quite eye height, but not on the surface, then this is probably for you. The best thing as well is that you can put your phone in the stand, and you can offer it into your phone this way. So it's got a cutout where you can plug your charger cable or your data cable, depending what you're using it for. So yeah, not bad. It's not cheap, depends on what your budget is, but it was $16.99 from Amazon, and I like it. It's different. It's definitely different. We've got loads of stands that are mainly on the surface, and yeah, this is probably the nicest. It's got some rubber grips there as well, as you can see here and above, and that is it really. It's got some it's just a really lovely finish. $16.99. It's borderline really, price wise. I think you you either like it or you don't really, to be honest. Okay, and as a bonus for this video, I also bought something for my boy for his Nintendo Switch, and this was $10.99, I believe, and the manufacturer is called Namacol, and very similar to that one over there, but the surface of the where the Nintendo Switch goes into, it has a rubberized backing here. If I turn it upside down, you can see it's just a piece of rubber, a customized piece of rubber that's covering the metal piece off here, so you don't scratch your device. Underneath is a few pads there, so it doesn't damage your table or wherever you're going to put it. And again, you know, you've got a very tough to push it forward or backwards in this case, and to push it forward, it is quite, you need a bit of force to move it up and down, which is good. No screws, no moving parts apart from the obvious, and also there is a moving part, which is the base, and that is just for folding it away, so you can take it away with you, and that's what the holes are there for. So that can go anywhere with you, couldn't it? Really, that can go in your suitcase, your pocket, or your handbag. So that's not bad, is it? So 10.99 from Amazon. They both came today. All right. I hope you liked the video. Take care. Thank you. Bye bye.